If you are looking for level living, this the perfect property for you. Handicapp Accessible, this home has been updated and is ready for new owners. Property is open to the south with 2 great sliding patio doors with blinds built in. Great large kitchen with new updated quartz and LVT flooring, new stainless steel dishwaher, electric cooktop, stainless built-in electric wall oven. Open to large living room with brick fireplace. Great natural light which brings life to the large living area. Just to the side of the living room you will find a nice dining room with beautiful built-in china cabinet with glass doors for displaying your dishes. Open hall area leading to the first large bedroom which is attached to bathroom which has a great walk-in shower. Located just beyond the bathroom is the utility room which has a nice laundry sink and cabinet. The floors are adorned with LVT flooring as well. All utilities are located in the laundry room: furnace, water heater, and breaker box with 200 amp sevice. Located down the hall is another full tub shower bathroom. Also with LVT flooring. Thin doorway leading to another bedroom on the main. Open stairway leading to an entertaining room which is overly large and has a sliding patio door leading to a 12 by 12 deck. Located on the other end is a large bedroom 19 by 16 so much finished area. Also 2-car attached garage with 2 new garage door openers. The garage is 25 by 24 also is